The Carboniferous geological time period ranges from 360 to 300 million years ago. The name Carboniferous means coal-bearing and is derived from Latin word carbo, meaning coal, and ferro, meaning to carry. Animal life was well established during this period, with amphibians, spiders, millipedes, land snails, and large dragonflies. One special group of amphibians would later evolve into terrestrial vertebrates and give rise to dinosaurs and the like. An interesting fact is that during the Carboniferous period, the atmosphere was 35% oxygen compared to 21% today. This allowed for organisms to evolve to great size. An example would be Meganeura, a dragonfly with a wingspan of 28 inches. During this time period, the continents came together to what is known as Pangaea. It is at this time that the land masses then began to slowly break apart. As for the plants, Lepidodendron is an extinct group of tree-like plants. Today, they are related to the quillworts and club mosses found in wet, moist areas. During this time, Lepidodendron sometimes reach heights of over 100 feet. In the ravine behind my house, water has worn down the sandstone rock. It is here in the creek bed we find many fossils of Lepidodendron. One can hardly walk down the creek bed without stumbling across the ancient plant. In addition, we have found numerous fossils of animals that lived in shallow seas in the time of the Carboniferous. If we take a closer look at a Lepidodendron fossil found in the creek bed, one will notice the diamond-shaped pattern. This is the outer bark pattern characteristic of Lepidodendron. Compare this fossil to a museum specimen. One can see the easily discernible resemblance. Additional fossils found throughout the creek bed show some of the internal structures of Lepidodendron. Take, for instance, this piece of deadwood from a fallen tree compared to the fossil of the internal structure of Lepidodendron. It becomes obvious how similar they are. So the next time you take a walk along a creek bed or a small stream, take a look at some of the exposed rocks and boulders. You might just find yourself a fossil or some ancient plant